welcome everybody in the new lesson of Arduino tutorial. Today we're gonna make something unique, which is how to make the light resistor. The light resistor is very important in our life, especially in medicine or let's say the chemical industries and manufacturing, because we're talking about chemical substances that are light sensitive. So I just want to remember something happened to me when I was in the college. I was preparing a chemical compound in the inorganic chemistry lab, and according to the exposing of my material to the sunlight, it changed to another material, and actually its color changed. So how to make a beautiful light sensor using Arduino? So let's start. We are now going to look at the new component known as a light dependent resistor, or LDR, as the name implies. The device is a resistor that depends on light. In a dark environment, the resistor will have a very high resistance. As the photons land on the detector, the resistance will decrease. The more light there is, the lower the resistance will be. The LDR can be inserted any way around. It doesn't have a polarity. I found 10k ohm resistor worked well with my LDR. You may need to try different resistor setting until you find the suitable LDR that you have. First, make sure your Arduino is powered off by unplugging it from the USB cable. Then connect up your parts so you can have the circuit in the figure.